have been having a great start to the new year. I recently got a new pair of glasses for Christmas, so I thought in today's Trendy Talia video, I would do a simple glam makeup tutorial for those who wear glasses. Technically, you could also wear this look if you don't wear glasses. So if you all would like to see how I achieve this look, then continue watching. Alrighty, so the first thing that I did was actually pop my contacts into my eyes because there's no way that I could apply makeup without any glasses or contacts on. I'm just that blind, so I did have to put my contacts in. And other than that, I did apply my liquid foundation, my concealer, my setting powder, as well as fill in my eyebrows. So you guys go ahead and do that as well. That way this just kind of speeds up the process a little bit. And I will just be showing you how to do the eye makeup, the cheeks, and the lips. So we will go ahead and get started. The first thing I will be applying is a eyeshadow primer potion by Urban Decay, and this one is in the color Eden. It is a matte eyeshadow primer, and this is just going to help my eyeshadow last throughout the day without creasing. So just taking a little bit, I'm going to dab it on my eyelids here. And we are just going to be blending this all the way from our eyelid up into our eyebrow bone. After I blend that together, I'm going to be curling my eyelashes. And now to apply eyeshadow, I'm going to be using a matte black color from the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. The color that I'm using is called Blackout. And taking a little bit on my Naked 2 eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to pat it onto my eyelid here. Okay, so question for those who wear glasses, how long have you guys been wearing glasses for? So I'm 30 years old. I have been wearing glasses ever since I was 8 years old. So that's like more than half of my life. I can remember the first time going to get my eyes checked for glasses. I wanted glasses so badly. You have no idea. My mom wears glasses and I used to try hers on just for fun. And I remember going into the eye doctor and he had me read the letters on the wall, and I will say that, like, on purpose I missed a few letters just so that I could get those glasses. I definitely do not recommend doing that because you could hurt your eyes doing that and be prescribed the wrong prescription. But that's just how bad I wanted to wear glasses that I told the eye doctor I was seeing a different letter than what I actually really saw. But yeah, definitely don't recommend that. But here I am so many years later wearing glasses still, and my eyesight is just so bad that I wish I didn't have to wear glasses. But I mean, there's definitely a lot of cute eyeglasses frames out there, so I don't know. I guess it's not entirely too bad, but if I can choose between wearing glasses and having 20/20 vision, I would definitely go for 20/20 vision just because it's really not fun seeing blurry all the time without glasses or contacts in. Alright, so I'm going to take a brush like this, kind of a highlighter brush I guess you could say, and I'm going to sweep away the edges here and try to blend this out nicely so that there's no harsh edges. So yeah, I was able to get a pair of cute Coach glasses for Christmas this year, and I am so in love with them. They are so pretty. They're a little bit more of a bigger frame, which I really like. They give me a sophisticated look. And yeah, alrighty, and now you're going to want to take a nice light shimmery color and apply that to the eyebrow bone right underneath your eyebrow. That way it just gives it a little pop of shimmer. That way it's not too dark and like raccoon looking. And I'm just going to put a little bit of that color, shimmer color, right in the corner of my eyes. Brighten it up in that area just a little bit. Now we are going to add some black eyeliner, and I am using Maybelline's Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil Eyeliner. So we are going to be lining the tight line here. You're just going to want to do that gently. And also your bottom waterline as well. And now taking a pencil with a smudger at the end, I'm going to be adding just a little bit of that matte black eyeshadow and smoking out the bottom edges of my eyes. And now we are going to want to apply some mascara. I am using this one by Lancome called Monsieur Big. Just going to apply a few coats of this to my lashes. I love how volumizing this mascara is. It's one of my new favorites. And now to add a little bit of blush, I am using Tutti Frutti Fruit Cocktail Blush Duos in the color Cherry Bomb, which looks like this. And I'm only going to be using the matte reddish color right here. I'm not going to be using this highlighting color down here because again we want to keep the face as matte as possible, and this color is very pigmented, so you do want to just dab your brush in it just a little bit. And I'm going to pat it onto the apples of my cheeks, bringing it up just a little bit. And now to apply a lip color, I'm going to use Urban Decay's Vice lipstick in this shade Back Talk. And you want to make sure you're using a nude lip color because the eyes are already dramatic. You don't want to draw too much attention to your eyes and your lips. That would just be too much going on. So you do want to keep the look a little bit subtle with a nude lipstick. To finish off this look, I will be applying NYX Matte Finish Makeup Setting Spray. This is going to help make my makeup last all night long. And here's the finished look. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye!